This is the beginning of our 1 minute Madison video.
I cannot breathe under there.
Well,
let's see what today's topic is. Sorry, there wasn't enough carbon dioxide under there.
I'm sure there was plenty of oxygen, but that's poisonous.
This mirror.
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror.
Mirror, mirror.
It's just a mirror. It's a mirror. Now, this mirror can be written on like this. Woo, woo, woo. We can even write a word on it.
What's the word of the day?
Okay, never mind. The word of the day is...
One second left.
Ah!